Part A. Write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of f at the point E2. So for this, we'll start off by using the derivative to get the slope of the tangent line at the point E2. So f prime of x, as given us in the initial part of the problem, f prime of x equals x squared natural log x. So just simply plugging in e, you're going to get e squared times 1. The natural log of e is just 1. So e squared. Now, using the equation, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This will give us our tangent line that we're looking for. So plugging in our numbers, y minus 2 equals e squared. That's our slope. X minus e. And that is the equation of the tangent line. Part B is the graph of f concave up or concave down on the interval 1 less than x, x less than 3. Give a reason for your answer. So first, we're going to take the derivative of f prime of x to get the second derivative. So f prime of x equals x squared natural log of x. To get this, to take the derivative of the first part of x squared, which is 2x. Derivative of natural log x is 1 over x. Then you're going to multiply x squared by 1 over x, which will give you x, plus 2x times natural log x to leave you with 2x natural log x. That is the second derivative. That is f prime of x, f double prime of x. Now, we're trying to determine if it's concave up or concave down. And concavity is determined whether the second derivative is positive or negative. So, from 1 to 3, x plus 2x natural log x, the first part of x is always going to be positive, not negative. So x is greater than 0 on that interval, and 2x natural log x will also be greater than 0 on this interval. So 2x natural log x is greater than 0. Thus, the graph is concave up. Part C. Use anti-differentiation to find f of x. So, first part of taking the integral, start with the derivative basically, which is x squared natural log x. We can't integrate this directly, so we're going to have to use integration by parts. So split it up, get your u and your dv. Derivative of u, 1 over x, integral of dv, x cubed over 3. Then, f of x equals the integral of x squared natural log x. Using what we have solved for here, we're going to plug into our equation u times v, right here, 1/3 x cubed from right here, and natural log x, minus the integral of dv, of v du, which is 1/3 x cubed times du. 1 over x, sorry. Then integrate this, and you'll get this value down, negative 1 over 9 x cubed plus c. Now, for the last part, we need to solve for c, and knowing our initial condition, f at e equals 2, we can write out 2 equals, plugging in e into all of these numbers for where x is, you'll end up with e cubed all over 3 minus e cubed over 9 plus c. Now we're going to solve for c. We're going to reduce these and then subtract them over to the other side, which will give c equals 2 minus 2/9 e cubed. That is the c value, which we're going to go ahead and insert right here. So plus 2 minus 2/9 e cubed. That is the function f of x.